Alright, so I just got Fisetin right here. It comes in this package right here. This is from a company called Doublewood. Yep, double wood. Now these are 100 milligram capsules in here, antioxidant and potent bioflavonoid, if you know what that is. On the back side, it talks about what's inside. Let's go up in here and see what's inside. So one capsule is considered one serving. Fisetin right here, it says Fisetin from, I don't know exactly what that terminology is right there, but it represents something. So it's Fisetin here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Cellulose capsule. So that means that it is vegan, perhaps, but they don't say it on here. Suggested use as a supplement. Take one capsule per day on an empty stomach. Right here, which goes pretty much against what I've heard about with Fisetin, that it has a low bioavailability. So I've heard people perhaps taking this with fenugreek or something like that, and with an oil in order for it to get absorbed better. But that's just the word on the streets. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Here's a safety seal that I broke earlier because I couldn't wait to try some of this out. There's some cotton in here to keep it from moving and grooving all around. And so here are the Fisetin capsules right here. These are the Fisetin capsules that come in here. Fairly small. Have a sort of yellowish color to it due to the flavonoids. And this is Doublewood Fisetin, 100 milligrams of Fisetin, 60 capsules. Hope this product helped you get a better idea of what's inside. Thanks a lot for watching.